Hi, and welcome to evalink Tutorials. Together, we will add and set up the DC09 ARC Connection integration into your evalink Talos account. From your evalink Talos dashboard, navigate to the menu Company and click on the tab Integrations. Search for DC09 ARC Connection and click on Add Integration. Now, let's configure the DC09 ARC Connection integration. First, click on Add Connector. Select a name and choose a type, Trusted Device or Gateway. Trusted Device is an experimental function, which allows you to define a trusted device that acts as an alarm distributor. In most cases, you will select Gateway. Next, select the single or dual path polling configuration. For this tutorial, we will select Custom Dual Path. Then enter the IP address, port, transmission protocol, and polling interval for the primary ATP host, as well as the IP address, port, transmission protocol, and polling interval for the secondary ATP host. Configure the number of attempts to deliver an alarm before giving up in the fields Attempts and Attempts on DUH Response. To finish, click on the Submit button. Now, the next step is to enable and configure the DC09 ARC connection on your site. Navigate to the menu Sites, pick the site to configure, click on the tab Integrations, and then click on DC09 Forwarding. Create a new forwarding by clicking on Create DC09 Forwarding. Select the connector you have created, and then enter the account number and shared key provided by the ARC. Then, press Submit to finish the configuration. Do you need to connect the DC09 ARC connector onto more than one site? Just go back to the menu Sites and repeat the process. And that's it! Now, each alarm received in your evalink Talos account for this site will be forwarded to the desired ARC via the DC09 protocol.